Your Digital Advantage 60 includes the antenna, a balun matching transformer, U-bolt mounting hardware, wing nuts, a screw, and an instruction manual. You'll need an 11mm wrench. Step 1. Fold out the square-shaped arms of the front section of the antenna. Then, rotate the elements along each arm until they snap into place. Step 2. Rotate the curved elements with yellow stickers attached. Make sure the ends fit over the threaded terminals as shown. Step 3. Connect the balun matching transformer to the threaded terminals as shown. Use the included wing nuts to securely tighten the connection. Step 4. Fold out the elements on the rear section of the antenna until they snap into place. Step 5. Connect the front and rear sections of the antenna together as shown. Use the provided screw and wing nut to secure and tighten the connection. Step 6. Using the provided wing nuts, attach the rods that are riveted on the rear section of the antenna to the threaded studs above the dipole on the front section of the antenna. Step 7. Attach the U-bolt hardware to the antenna boom as shown. Step 8. Fit your antenna mast through the U-bolt, then with an 11mm wrench, securely tighten the nuts. This concludes the assembly of the Channel Master Digital Advantage 60. For additional product and installation videos from Channel Master, please subscribe to our official YouTube channel or visit us online at channelmaster.com.